Good afternoon, everyone. We're back with Science Shorts with Mr. Perkins. It is Friday, so we're going to do a more hands-on experiment. And we've got just a basic container. We have white vinegar, and we have an egg. And all you need to do here is make certain that the container is higher than the level of the egg, and you're going to pour vinegar into it until it's up to the level of the egg. Now, the egg will float, so don't try to cover the egg, but that's going to be okay. And you're going to let this sit. Put it in a spot where it's not going to get disturbed. You're going to let it sit all weekend. This one I've had sitting since Wednesday. I set this up, and you can see some of what's starting to happen here. And so what the vinegar does is it removes the calcium from the eggshell. And so currently, this egg is kind of squishy, but more is going to happen. More is going to happen to these eggs. I would recommend moving them because the vinegar doesn't cover all the way. So I don't know, when you remember, it's certainly not specific, but rotate it so a different part of the egg is entirely under the vinegar. But as you can see, they do float. So don't worry about trying to cover them entirely. And so then on Monday, we'll talk more about what's happening to these eggs. But the sooner you set these up, the better, because it needs time in order for the vinegar to do its thing. So egg, container, vinegar to the top, let it sit. Thank you very much, and we'll be back on Monday.